What is workflow case object? In workflow case object, what it contains, you are going to learn in this video.
Workflow case object. You can see that. So you can click on it, and suppose in your system some requests are placed and the request has not completed. Okay, those things and all is going to store in the workflow case. You can see here. The last night I run some of the workflows. Okay, you can let me see this. It was quickly launched for the SailPoint so and so, SailPoint admin so and so, and you can see here workflow case and what is called and what is what and all. And what is workflow case it will contain? It contains all the workflows running information. It contains details of all the running information of the workflow. Launcher, it is going to have the who launched this. You see this, who launched this, which user launched, and type of workflow, what kind of workflow it is, what kind of workflow it is. See here, you can see what kind of workflow it is. The workflow case having workflows. And copy of the workflow. Entire workflow, whatever been called, that entire workflow will be there here. I mean, like if you go and see this workflow, how it is there, and that all the steps is there. And current step you can see here, where exactly current step, and whether it is gone the next step and all things. The current step being processed, which step it is there, you can see here.